Police. We welcome the Inspector General of Police, Federal Republic of Nigeria, to this short event of inauguration of Special Intervention Squad for the Federal Capital Territory. Today's 17th January 2024.
The alarming rise in these criminal activities without equivocation demands immediate and resolute actions from us all. It is thus with a determined spirit that I proudly announce the inauguration of the first phase of the Special Intervention Squad. Conceived as an elite unit of the Nigerian Police Force, the SIS is composed of specially trained, well-equipped, and highly mobile police officers, and possesses the capacity for rapid intervention and effective containment of significant security breaches, such as those currently threatening the suburb of the FCT and creating panic generally. This initiative is not just born out of necessity, but out of foresight, diligent planning, and commitment to enhancing the already robust security architecture of our nation's capital. The FCT remains a bastion of safety and an example of efficient urban security management. However, in our continual pursuit of excellence, we must proactively address even the slightest signs of potential threats. We are thus duty-bound to confront all security challenges head-on to protect the lives and welfare of our citizens. Envisioned to include 1,000 personnel in each state of the Federation, the SIS is launched today with officers and men from the tactical units of the force, supplemented by a formidable arsenal of operational assets, including sophisticated arms, drones, and vehicles. These assets, some of which are on display here this afternoon, are ready for deployment to counteract the security threats.